This week we're going to focus primarily on South America, where beans are setting pods and filling pods in Argentina, and harvest is taking place in northern Brazil. We're also going to take a look at long-term trends in November soybean futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the soybean market. We moved in the middle of February here, and the soybean market's been on the downhill slide here for quite some time. Let's start out this week taking a look at updated trends in Argentina production. Let's take a look at where those Argentina beans are produced. Argentina beans, as we tape here in the middle of February, are in the pod set and pod fill stage for the most part. And those are in 4 key provinces: Buenos Aires, Cordoba, Santa Fe, and Santiago del Estero. Well over 80% of the beans are produced in those provinces. Let's take a look at the short-term weather trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. Now we're starting out here looking at 2023. Again, we're going to go back a year to a serious drought that was in place in Argentina as those beans were setting and filling pods. Look at how dry it was across those key areas, a lot of dark red in those areas. Now let's move forward to this year, 2024. 2024, the last 14 days, they have got some good moisture down there. There has been some dryness and hot temperatures, but that's abated for the time being and got some good rainfall. Now let's look at the next 10 days. The next 10 days, most of that rainfall is going to be west of those key production areas. As we move further east, not quite as much rainfall. Let's quantify precip totals over the next 14 days. Now here we're looking at most of the rainfall here, closer to normal, is in those western areas. For example, in Cordoba, as we move further east into Santa Fe and Buenos Aires, it does look like it's going to dry out again somewhat, although temperatures will not be as warm. We're going to shift gears now and focus on Brazil. Let's take a look at where those soybeans are produced in Brazil. Now, many key states here, north to south: Mato Grosso, where they're harvesting beans; Goiás, Bahia, Minas Gerais, Paraná. Rio Grande do Sul is not even close to harvesting beans yet, and Mato Grosso do Sul. So a wide variation in terms of crop maturity. Let's now take a look at harvest progress in that number 1 state of Mato Grosso. You can see as of February 9th, 51.5%. So a little over half the crop has been harvested. One of the fastest trends in recent memory, compared to only 44%, for example, last year. Let's now take a look at the weather trends for Brazil. Now we're looking here at Thursday, through Sunday, beg your pardon, this week. Most of the rain is going to be concentrated in the south, those areas that can need some rain. They've been dry recently. Now as we move forward into starting February 16th through the 18th, over the weekend, that rainfall is going to start again, scattered rainfall in the north, and over the next 10 days, starting this weekend, extending into the last few days of February, it's going to be near normal precip totals in that north area. Let's quantify totals now for the entire country. Now again, over the next 2 weeks in Mato Grosso, again harvesting beans there, near normal in that state. Further east into the Mato Piba region, for example, is going to be quite wet, and further south is going to be variable, but generally close to normal in that southern Brazil area. Let's wrap things up this week looking at long-term trends in November soybean futures. Now, November beans, as we tape here on Tuesday, are trading near $11.65 a bushel. Notice that's substantially below where it was last year. We continue to strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to get strategies in place to manage not only 2023 production, but also your new crop 2024 bushels. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. Remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.